11th Science, Chapter 4, Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure, Part 13, Hybridization in phosphorus pentachloride and sulfur hexafluoride.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. We will discuss few more examples of hybridization. Let us take the example of PCl5 and SF6 molecule. Let us find out what type of hybridization exists in PCl5 molecule. Phosphorus atomic number 15. P3. This is the valence shell. You know n is equal to 3 means the atomic orbitals present in the third shell is s, p and d. That means 3d orbital is also present here, which is vacant. Put down the orbital diagram of the valence orbitals. 3d, 3p, 3s. Phosphorus combines with 5 chlorine. Here we are having 3 unpaired electrons. So phosphorus moves in excited state. So one of the s electron breaks from here and occupies the vacant d orbital. So it occupies the vacant d orbital. Now this 1s, 3p and 1d orbital undergoes hybridization. So you can see 3, 4 and 5 are undergoing hybridization. So it forms 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. This each sp3d hybrid orbital is overlapped by the half-filled atomic orbital of chlorine. You can see for chlorine, this is the valence orbitals. So this half-filled atomic orbital of each chlorine overlaps with the sp3d hybrid orbital of phosphorus, forming 5 PCl5 sigma bonds. So if we draw, this is phosphorus bonded with 4 chlorine atoms and 1 chlorine is bonded here from the back side to phosphorus. This is having trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Another example is sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur atomic number is 16 and this is the electronic configuration. N is equal to 3 is the valence shell, where we are having a vacant 3d orbital also, because for n is equal to 3 the value of L is 0, 1, 2. So vacant d orbital is there which has no electrons. So we can put the orbital diagram of the valence orbitals. 2 electrons in 3s and 4 in 3p. Sulfur combines with 6 fluorine. So sulfur moves in excited state. One of the s electron jumps to the vacant 3d orbital. So we are having 1 electron here in 3s and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 suborbitals are there in 3D. So occupies. So one of the s electron breaks from here and occupies the vacant p orbital. The paired electron in 3p also gets excited and moves to the next vacant p orbital like this. Now here all these 6 atomic orbitals undergo hybridization. 1s plus 3p plus 2d orbitals. So total 6 are undergoing hybridization to form 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. Now each of the sp3d2 hybrid orbital is overlapped by half-filled atomic orbital of fluorine. We can see this is 2s, this is 2p. So you can see this half-filled atomic orbital of fluorine overlaps with the each of the sp3d2 hybrid orbitals, giving rise to an octahedral geometry of sulfur hexafluoride. This is sulfur, fluorine, 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 fluorine. 6 fluorines are there, giving rise to an octahedral geometry of SF6. Octahedral.